Welcome to my YouTube channel, introducing the toothpaste tube and packaging mockup design in Photoshop. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. This is a high-quality toothpaste packaging template. Features: 3 packaging template. Easy customizable and editable. CMYK color. Design in 300 dpi resolution. Print-ready format. Files: PDF and JPEG included. HEL-TXT file included. Files included: 3 AI, 3 PDF, 6 JPEG. Fonts used in this template are Longhole, Roboto, Finardo, Beauty and the Beast. Note: mockup and images are not included in main download. Thank you for watching.